there. I'm gonna pop a crane.
Max. It's an American flag Ninny, and it's coming. An American flag concrete mixer. Have you ever seen such a cool mixer?
What are they doing, Mommy?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
What are they doing? There goes the American flag concrete mixer. Coolest thing I ever saw. Isn't that the coolest, Max? Where's he going? Is he leaving?
Yeah,
man.
he is.
Oh, goodbye. I bet we might see him if we can start walking home. Look, we're watching all of these cement trucks. Look at all of them. And they have a pumper. Look at their
Look how big the pumper is.
Yeah, what are they doing? Are they building a swimming pool? Or are they just building a foundation for a house? That's pretty crazy. That's a big pumper. That's like a real big pumper truck. Goodness gracious. Is that the coolest thing you ever saw, Max? Should we walk a little closer so we can see what they're doing? Look. What do you think of that?
Which name of 5 Ninnies?
He went bye-bye. So cool. What do you think of that, buddy? 2 Ninnies and a pumper. Awesome. You love it? Too cool. What's he doing? Look how cool that is. You see, I told you the Ninnies chute goes in that holder. See, I told you there's the chute. Do you see it getting pumped in that chute? It's going down the chute and into that container so the pumper can pump it.
And it slides down into a goat tube.
Yeah, and do you see how I told you those white pipes suck it up to the pumper? Remember I told you? Do you see what I mean now? And look, they've got to have those little stabilizer arms to hold it up.